Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well, and this is going to be another tech review, but this is going to be something new. Today we are going to talk about the new Amazfit GTR 2E, and today in this video I'm going to show you all the features of this smartwatch, pros and cons, also my thoughts about the watch. And before starting the video, I just want to let you know that this video is not sponsored, so I have bought this smartphone and this is going to be an honest review. So here is the box, and as you guys can see, the Amazfit branding on top and then the model name GTR 2E. On the left side of the box we have some highlighted features like AOD, ultra long battery, voice assistant, and on the back side you have all the details about the products, nothing important. And on the right side you have some other highlighted features like SpO2, blood oxygen saturation measurement, quality sleep monitoring, and PAI health assistant. So now let's open up the box and let's see what we have in it. And the first thing we have in the box is the smartwatch, and damn, this looks beautiful. As you guys can see, I have the obsidian black model, and let's just take a moment to appreciate the beauty of this watch. The finish, the metal touch, I just love it. Okay, so let's keep it aside and let's see what else we have in the box. So in the box you have a magnetic charger, and the magnet seems really good. Just take it close to the watch and it just snaps quickly. And in the other box we have the manual. People usually ignore the manuals, and if the manuals came in this size, they are not going to read it anyway. Okay, so now let's see the watch. Let's peel off all the stickers, and to boot it up you just have to press and hold the top crown, and immediately you are going to see a Amazfit logo with a vibration. And here you have all the languages to choose from, and I'm going with English. And now I have to download the Zepp app and scan the QR code to connect it. The procedure is fairly simple, so I'm not wasting your time with this. And after connecting with the app, it will update your watch to the latest firmware, and that will take a few minutes. And after finishing the update, your watch is ready to go. So in terms of design, it's exactly the same with its bigger brother GTR 2 with minor trade-offs. It has a 2.5D curved borderless design with aluminum alloy body, and the screen is protected with tempered glass, and also it has anti-fingerprint vacuum coating. You have two crowns on the right side and a mic on the left side, and a whole bunch of sensors in the back side along with the charger pin connector. And the display is kinda bezel-less with a stylish black border, and all the watch faces blends in with the border very nicely. And if you put a watch face with a black background, it looks really borderless. It has a 1.39 inches of AMOLED display with a resolution of 454 by 454 with 326 ppi. The strap is 22mm silicone strap. It's very comfortable. It's easily replaceable with a spring mechanism, so you can change its straps to give your watch a whole new look whenever you want. And in the battery compartment we have a 471 mAh battery, which can last for 45 days with basic usage, 24 days with typical usage, and 12 days with heavy usage. It takes about 2.5 hours to full charge with its magnetic charging stand. So the watch doesn't come with Wear OS. Instead of that, it comes with the OS made by Amazfit. Like if you swipe down, you have the control panel, you have the torch, brightness, DND, battery saver, lock screen, theater mode, date, battery percentage, and weather information. If you swipe up, you have notification panel. You just can monitor your notifications, you can't reply to them. And to change the watch faces, you just need to tap and hold. Choose your favorite one from the list. Swipe right to left or left to right for all the cards, and press the upper crown for quick setting. And here you have a list of features you can use, and you can customize the down crown to anything you like. So overall the UI is good, you don't have any stutter or anything. Overall a good experience. In this watch we have a bunch of sensors. So in terms of health related ones, we have BioTracker 2 SpO2 sensor which can measure blood oxygen saturation levels, biological data sensor, and other than that we have acceleration sensor, gyroscope sensor, 3-axis geomagnetic sensor, ambient light sensor, air pressure sensor, and a temperature sensor. So with these sensors it can track more than 90 plus sports mode, 24/7 heart rate, SpO2, and so on. And I have to say, the heart rate and SpO2 sensor works fine. Not 100% accurate, but pretty much reliable. So let me measure my heart rate. So just swipe right, and on the heart rate page it will automatically start reading your heart rate, and it will take some time, and here's the result. And for the SpO2 you have to go in the quick setting by pressing the upper crown and then swipe down to find SpO2, tap on it and rest your hand on a flat surface steadily, and then tap on start measuring and stay still for some time. And here we have our SpO2 reading. So from 90 to 100 is about okay, and under 90 you need medical attention. So the raise to awake feature works every time without failing. But still, if you want to use AOD, and this smartwatch has the feature. To turn on the AOD, just go to the setting, then display and brightness, then always on display. Tap on enable status and set it to smart, timed, or always on as your preferences. Then go back and tap on the watch face style, and here you have 3 modes. Basically the first one will follow the watch face on AOD like this, and then the second and third one is simple analog and digital watch face, and you can set the timeout for your display, or you just can cover the whole display with your palm like this and it will go into AOD mode. Now let's talk about the watch faces, as this is one of the most important features for a lot of people including me. So here you have some watch faces stored on your watch, so you just need to tap and hold, and then you can see the available watch faces on your watch. Also if you want more, you can just go to the store option of your Zepp app, and here you have about 50 to 70 faces for your smartwatch. Okay, so now let's take a look on the app. So this is the home page of the app, and here you have all the details of your health related contents and readings. And in the profile tab you will find all the settings regarding your watch. And now if you want to customize your watch, tap on the name of your device, and here you have your connected device with your battery percentage and when you last charged. And now if you want to change the watch face, just go to the stores and you will have plenty of options to choose from, but I wish we have more choices. And then we have the option for notification and reminders. Use and manage this section as your preference. And then we have the health monitoring setting and so on. And on the home page we have health related readings, and for details just tap on it. Yesterday I have gone for cycling, so as you guys can see I have gone 5.17 kilometers, and you have all the details here even with the map, and we have all the detailed readings from speed to heart rate and everything. So the app is really user friendly and easy to use, and I haven't seen any connectivity issue yet. But if we have some more watch faces, that will be awesome. Other than that, we have everything we need. Now you didn't like the watch, it's okay. Go for another option. We have plenty of options in the market. And if you like the product and confused, then let me tell you. So I think GTR 2E is the best middle ground smartwatch right now in the market according to the price point. And if you want a calling feature, and you can pay 3000 more and get a GTR 2 with a less battery life, or you can call with your phone like a normal human being and save some money and buy this one with good battery life. Now the choice is yours. So that's it for today's video. If you have any question regarding this product, please let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be really happy to help you. And if this is your first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more contents like this. And if you like the video, hit the like button. And if you didn't like the video, hit the like button anyway. It's free. Who cares? See you guys in the next one. Till then, tada.